Hi everyone, Sean here from BC's Used Car Dealer of the Year, BCS Auto Sales. Hey, thanks for checking out our vehicles online. We do appreciate that. Today, I'm test driving a 2015 Hyundai Elantra GLS sedan that's just come into the dealership. Well cared for and accident free. This one comes with a full independent vehicle inspection and a free Carfax history report. Nicely equipped, heated front seats, power sliding sunroof, and full Bluetooth communication. Well suited for any commute, daily driving around town, or a weekend adventure. This one's going to take you where you want to go, when you want to go. And whatever you're driving, if it's no longer doing so, hey, now is the perfect time to update your vehicle. Trade values have never been higher, so please let us make you an offer. Speaking of offers, we offer easy financing right here at the dealership with specials that include no money down, no payments for 6 months, and you can get up to $10,000 cash back OAC. Hey, there's only one BCS Auto Sales, your used car dealer of the year, 7 years in a row. Thank you for that. And without further ado, here is the Hyundai Elantra. Fully serviced, professionally cleaned, and sanitized, this 2015 Hyundai Elantra GLS is ready for immediate delivery. So pretty much no matter where you are in the province, if you can't come to us, we can easily deliver this one to you. No problem at all. Very nicely equipped with a beautiful alloy wheel package, all season mud and snow rated tires. You can see chrome accents on the front grille, power sliding sunroof, which is currently vented. However, it is fully retractable. Nice chrome exhaust tip, high definition rear view parking camera, remote keyless entry, and just check out this interior. Nice and clean, beautifully contoured seats. The front seats are heated. We have enhanced traction control here for extra stability in poor driving conditions, leather wrapped steering wheel, audio control and cellular communication, as well as cruise control. Nice stereo with CD player and auxiliary inputs for your extra devices. Air conditioned cabin, heated seat controls, nice size center console, and comfortable seating for 5 in total with folding armrests and split folding rear seats. Easy to drive, well cared for, and ready for immediate delivery. Located in South Vancouver, same location since 1985, we have helped out thousands of clients get their perfect vehicle. Rest assured, we could easily help you with your motoring needs. Simply give us a call, let us know when to expect you, and we'll have it ready for your personal test drive. Hey, it's always toll free at 1-800-261-3363. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.